In this video, I just wanted to talk about a project that we completed in Vauxhall. We reconfigured and refurbished this apartment from a one-bedroom apartment to a two-bedroom apartment. So we purchased it for £290,000 and I'll let you know what it was worth towards the end. And so as you can see, the size of the apartment was 46.8 square meters. As you enter, you had a bathroom on the right-hand side, the main bedroom, a toilet, a separate toilet on the left-hand side, and you had the living room and then a kitchen on the left-hand side. The plan with this particular project was to move the kitchen into the living room to create an open plan kitchen diner and turn the kitchen into a second bedroom. Photo one is a photo of the living room. It had a heater in there and laminate flooring. The next photo you're seeing is a photo of the main bedroom. Now, with this particular bedroom, we decided actually that we could, add value to this apartment by adding an ensuite. So this went from being a one-bedroom apartment to being 2 beds and 2 baths. The next photo you're seeing is a picture of the kitchen, fairly tired and dated. Another photo you're seeing of the kitchen on the other side. The work surfaces were minimal, freestanding appliances. A lot of the cabinet doors were either falling off or coming off. This is a photo of the main bathroom. It had a bath and a sink. It didn't have a toilet. I just wanted to take you through the after photo, so once the refurbishment and reconfiguration was complete. The first photo you're seeing is a photo of the open plan living dining area. So this is a picture mainly of the living room. The next photo you can see the kitchen. It's got an oven, under counter fridge and a dishwasher also. There's also a washer dryer within the apartment. Dining table, next photo. Photo 4 is of the bedroom 1. So this was the main bedroom. So in this particular bedroom, we added a hand basin and a shower to create sort of an ensuite. So 8, this used to be the kitchen. So we managed to squeeze in a double bed, a bedside cabinet. We created storage where the door is, and even actually opposite the bed, there's actually another double wardrobe. Photo 10 is a picture of the bathroom. We took out the bathtub. We added a macerator toilet. And a shower. So again, we went from being a one-bedroom apartment to a 2-bed, 2-bath. So I found this apartment on Rightmove. It was actually being sold by an agent called XLA, ex-local authority. XLA, they specialise and only sell ex-local authority apartments. A lot of these ex-council flats in London, they tend to be in very, very good locations. Some of the benefits of buying ex-council is that the service charge tends to be reasonable. So definitely check out the website for XLA. If you go onto Google, type in xla.com or .co.uk, London. And on there, they only sell ex-local authority flats, so it could be, a good starting point for you. How do we finance this apartment? So we purchased this apartment on a bridge. I'm going to do another video as to the reasons why we use bridging. We purchased this apartment for £290,000 as a one-bedroom apartment. It's literally a stone's throw away from Vauxhall Underground Station. The valuation come in, having owned the apartment for 6 months, of £390,000. So I just wanted to go through some of the numbers on this particular project. People are always interested to find out about the numbers. So we purchased this property for £290,000. The stamp duty was £13,200. The legal fees came out at £3,882.77. Bridging costs came out at £20,702.63. In between the time where we had the project was completed, before we moved on to the Buy To Let mortgage, we had some short-term bookings and they came in at £7,380. The refurbishment costs, they were £23,000, and the furniture and other costs, they were £4,597.87. So the total costs for this apartment overall, we were in for £348,003.27. We refinanced this at the higher value, having held onto the apartment for 6 months. £390,000 was the valuation. The buy-to-let advance was £312,000. So the money left in this particular project was about £36,000. The return on investment was 22%. So again, a pretty good return on investment. So what we like to do again is compare the way in which we purchase our apartments to the average buy-to-let investor. So a normal buy-to-let investor would purchase this apartment at $390 as a 2-bed. The deposit they would have had to have paid would have been $97,500. The stamp duty cost would have been $21,200. The legal costs would have been £1,350, and the furniture costs, say, £4,000. So the total costs would have been roughly for them £124,000, and the return on investment would have been around 7%. The way in which we can add value by adding the additional bedroom and also the en-suites, for example, really brings up the value of this apartment. So this has a multiple of 3.46. Now what does that mean? That means for every one apartment a buy-to-let investor purchases, in this instance, we could have purchased 3.46 apartments. So, nearly 3.5 apartments. This is one of the ways that we add value in London. We love investing in London. We're always on the lookout in key locations for these types of projects. We look for 1-bedroom apartments, which we can convert into 2-bedroom apartments. We tend to buy on a bridge and refinance onto a buy-to-let mortgage. If you've got any questions, please comment them down below and I will try and respond. If there's any other videos you like or anything else you'd like me to make a video about, please let me know and I will try and make one. See you. Bye.